Hey guys, today we're down at the creek doing some fishing. I'm using worms and just a plain hook. There's creek chubs, bass, bluegill. Just regular creek fish. I don't know if you can see them. There's a lot of fish over here. I'll come back here later. I'm gonna start down creek more. And there's a couple in here too. But the biggest pool down here, there's a lot more bass and bluegill than just creek chubs, like all the other spots. This is the spot I'm going to start fishing at. There's a baby bass over here, and I think maybe another something, maybe bluegill. Got my hook baited, and I got water in the worms, my aerator. So I should catch them no problem here, but my worm might be a little too big. I'm gonna cut a little bit of my worm off. Man, these ones might be a little too small, I can't tell, but they're just not taking the whole thing. Alright, well there's the first one. Nice little bluegill. I'm gonna turn the aerator on and throw them in the bucket. Still got my worm on. Oh. Caught a little creek chub. Throw him back. I got another little one. This is one I don't exactly know what they are, but they stay at the top of the water, but they remind me of the shape of like the darters that sit at the bottom of the creeks. So stay still. I'm not quite sure. This one's stressed obviously, but they get very colorful, almost red and blue. That spot. Another creek chub, but he's not bad. Oh. There he is. I just saw a huge snail. I've never seen, oh, there's two of them. I've never seen snails here before, and I've been coming here for years. like setting. I try to get, I don't know if you can really see, but there's like the edge of the rocks. I try to get up under there. Sometimes there is some like bullhead catfish and things like that that hide up under there, and they'll come out for worms. But I can't always get it right there. And if I do, and don't catch one, I get caught up on the rock. Oh, I got one. I got one of the warheads or warmouths, whatever you want to call them. Really nice colors. Oh, I got one. I think it's another creek chub. Yep. Not bad. There he goes. I still have that little piece of worm on. There is some little bass, and I caught a little one yesterday that hopefully I can take home. Well, there's a decent bluegill. Hopefully I can take home and put in my tank, because you guys know I have my big bass, bigger. And hopefully he's getting too big for the tank, so I think I'm gonna let him go in my pond, and then I can grow this new one out. But for this hole in the creek, this is a decent bluegill. You can almost flip him. And there he goes. He almost had it. I see a decent one. He just... Oh, that's a smaller one. Oh, that's another one of the warmouths. It's not a bluegill, but I don't know much about him, but I think it's a bass mixed with some type of bluegill. Because you can see the line, the vertical lines. But then they also have the bluegill. But they have a huge mouth also. Oh, he came off. There we go. Look at another creek chub. The creek chubs, I'm catching all about the same size, but they do get bigger. I've caught some pushing half a pound ones. I mean, they do get big. Something just came out from under that rock. Oh, I got him. It's another one of the hard warmouths. They remind me of rock bass, but I think they're about the same, because they all have the same colors and stuff. Big mouth. Man. After the next fish, I think I'm gonna go move to a different spot. Oh, I got cleaned, I think. Oh, I'll move to a different spot. There we go, I got one. Nice little creek chub. Well, I'm in this one now. A lot of little minnows. Some center blocks to stand on at least. So I'm down here under the bridge. This is where I set my minnow trap usually. There definitely is fish down here. I got one. It was up under those rocks. I'll reel it up a little. Another one of the moormouth things or whatever they're called. Oh, I caught him. Might have to throw my worm. Oh, yep. So I guess okay, there's one. Yep. Another creek chub. This one's a little bigger than the ones I've been catching. Without the bobber now, I should have a little better luck. Oh, yep. It's a nice creek chub. I lost him. I don't see. Oh, there he is. Oh. Oh, there he is. I got him, finally. Oh my goodness, finally. Look how beautiful that fish is. That is crazy. Those are some crazy colors. I'm gonna go get them into my bucket. Set it up. I don't want to keep them out too long, but that is crazy. I'm gonna try to catch the other bluegill out of here. Right, there we go. I'm gonna let him go. It's just a regular old bluegill. And there he goes. Alright. Now we're gonna flip some rocks, see if we can catch any crawdads just for fun. Got him. Oh no. Oh, I got him. Ow. Pinching me. He's not too small. I'm gonna throw him back. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hopefully the video turns out alright and the quality. It's my first time using a GoPro. So, thank you.